Guys, how are you? So today I'm outside and we're gonna make a namkeen chicken karahi. It's gonna be based on tomatoes and the dry seasoning will be only salt. It's kind of a rainy day today. The weather is nice. So this will be our pot. We're gonna use it for cooking. So I'm gonna put the charcoal and the wood right here, and then we're gonna light it up and put our pot on top. So let's go and let's do that first. We're gonna add some garlic in there. This is chopped garlic. We're gonna give it a stir. So guys, just wanna let you know, it's a slow cooking process on a charcoal, but trust me, it gives a wonderful and perfect flavor to your chicken stew karahi. Now we're gonna just cover the lid from top and just let the garlic and the chicken roast for at least 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. Our garlic and the chicken, it's been enough roasted. I'm gonna just add the tomatoes right now. Alright guys, so this is our main ingredient, salt. We're gonna add the salt right now in here. And leave this guy for next 20 minutes. And don't forget, it's cooking on the charcoal and it's a slow cooking process. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes of our chicken cooking up in the tomatoes. Now we're gonna add the green chilies, fresh green chilies in here, and we're gonna add the ginger. So this is the ginger. We're gonna add this right here. So we're gonna stir this mixture up and cover it up with the lid and leave it for next 10 minutes, just like that. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on our karahi. Oh wow, the aroma is awesome. Yum yum. It's stewy. I can smell the green chilies, I can smell the ginger and the aroma of the charcoal in there. Wow. So for next, we're gonna pick up a charcoal from here and we're gonna put straight in here. And we're gonna cover with the lid on top. That's how, guys, it's gonna get the charcoal flavor, and that's how our karahi is based on the chicken and the charcoal and the salt. All right, we're gonna wait 5 minutes, and now we can open the lid, take our charcoal out, and give it a stir. So our karahi is ready. This is, guys, the perfect restaurant style chicken karahi. So let's go and serve our chicken karahi. This is naan bread, and we're gonna take our first bite out of it. So this is kind of a stewy, so I'm gonna just dip my bread in. Whoa. And take the first bite. Wow. Wow. And the chicken is soft and tender. And it's juicy. So we're gonna make a big bite. We're gonna add a cucumber. We're gonna add an onion in there. Plus, I'm on the sauce, so I'm gonna just dip it in here and So take a bread, pick a chicken piece, just like that. Put a cucumber with that, and of course a big onion. Dip it in the sauce, and here you go. So take a bread, take a chicken piece, just like that. Put a cucumber with that, and of course a big onion. Dip it in the sauce, and here you go.